Once there was a cat, and he got brand new shoes that were white, and he sang the song, and it went like this. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. And then he went to a strawberry patch. Did he stop? Absolutely not. He couldn't go. Oh, he couldn't dig it. He couldn't go around it, so he had to go over it. Then it kept turning redder and redder and redder until it got red. Did he stop? Absolutely not. You know what he sang? He sang the song, and it went like this. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. And then he went to a blueberry patch. And then his shoes keep turning bluer and bluer. Did he stop? Absolutely not. He sang a song called like this. I love my blue shoes. 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 Then he found the orange patch. And then did he stop? Absolutely not. And he sang a song called like this. I love my orange shoes. I love my orange shoes. I love my orange shoes. And then he went to a blue. And then he went to. And then he went to. And then And then he went to an onion patch. Did he stop? Absolutely not. And then he said, I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. Then when it turned white, you know what happened? It turned. He fell and he walked in the rain and he fell on a brown puddle. You know what he's saying? It goes like this. I love my muddy shoes. I love my muddy shoes. I love my muddy shoes. And then, you know, he found a puddle that was in the rain. And a song went like this because he tripped over. He said, I love my wet shoes. 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 I love my wet shoes.
Is that the end of the story? That's really cute. Thank you for sharing.
Well, there's more, but I forgot it.
Oh, well, that was really good. Thank you.